Hello children, welcome in Kaka's English School and Semi English School. Today we learn the subject name is Mathematics and our class is 4th standard class, and in which the class the 7th chapter we see here. The name of the 7th chapter name is Division. Division means what? The division means the Bhagakar. How to knowing of the division? This is the one type of the operations. You know the some operations, there are the 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and this one is the last operation, the name of this division. So we will study here the division, how to knowing of the division, there are the how many facts of in a division. So we will start here. Division means Bhagakar. You knowing the some symbols of the addition, subtraction, multiplication as like this. One of the identification of the symbol is particularly here is sleeping line and the upper side and the lower side of the dotted R. This symbol is also known as the division. And another one, the optionally the half circle and the sleeping line. This one is the second symbol of the mathematics division problems. So we will be started using of these symbols. Okay. So there are the 3 main facts in a mathematically division operations, in which the first one is very important. 0 is dividing with the any number. 0 is dividing with the any numbers. 4, 5, 21, 721, any number. 230. So which number is producing? This one is the first property, in which say the 0 dividing with the any number. The answer is always 0. Writing here a 0. Understanding? 0 ने कोणत्याही संख्येला डिवाइड केले असता येणारी संख्या येणारे उत्तर हे नेहमी 0 असते, नेहमी 0 असतो. Second one, the number itself dividing with this itself number. एक संख्या आणि त्याच संख्येने दुसऱ्या नंबरला त्याच संख्येला जर डिवाइड केला असता, the which number is producing? I writing here a 70, 27 dividing with the 27. The same numbers are dividing itself, 27 and the 27. So which is the producing? The 1 is producing. 27 ones are 27. This one is the second fact of our mathematically problem, and in which the third one is the ones property. The number dividing with the 1. So which number is producing? The number itself producing. Okay, 8 dividing with the 1 is equal to 8. So these 3 properties, these 3 facts are using some many more problem solving here. So I writing here properties: 0 dividing with 23 is equal to 0, and the second one 27 divided with the 27. Anyone writing the numbers, only understanding next time. Okay, this chart is writing here. So how to knowing a division facts, in which there are the 4 important topics. One is divisor, second one is dividend. Here is writing this number is a dividend, and the upper side of this symbol, which is a here is dividend, divisor, and the quotient is here, and the last one is the remainder. So fill up here some numbers and understanding this situation. There are the 4 important topics. First one, the divisor. Who is dividing the number? I writing here one number 5. Next one, dividend. Who is dividing itself number? Means this number also, this number is the lower number than this number. Okay, I writing here a 25. Understanding this? This number means the divisor is always small number than the dividend number. Next, the quotient. We also solving this problem, then making a quotient as well as remainder here. So 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 25. It's a subtraction method. You knowing this number dividing itself number. The produce is 0 0. Producing 0 0. This one is the remainder. Always knowing this, the 4 properties understanding in the every division problems. So we will be started here some important examples using of this chart, using of these tables. In a 7.1 exercise, the question is find the quotient. You knowing the quotient, the upper side of the symbol. The quotient 7.1. First one, 7 divided with 7 is equal to blank space and 0 divided with 80 is equal to. There are the two most important problems we taken here using of their facts. This number is dividing itself number. How to producing? Same numbers are dividing itself when that time 1 is producing. Means the 7 divided 7 is equal to the 1. This one is the answer. And the second fact in which 0 dividing with any number, the answer is always writing with 0. Okay. Those problems relating with the 3 factors. There are the 3 factors here. So there are the some important problems you also solving in your textbooks as well as notebook. There are some questions using of the multiplication and the division. There the relationship of the 2 operations, in which the first one is the multiplication as well as second one is the division method. So relation, how to knowing the relation. How to knowing of this multiplication as well as division method. So knowing here one example taken here, 3 into 6. The multiplication of these two numbers, 3 6 are or 6 3 are, 18 is here. So this one is the relation of the multiplication. So I trying to base the division, how to divide this number. This number is the produce, this number is the product, 18. And which factors are the, how many factors of the 18? So find out these two numbers. ह्या दोन नंबर वरून आपल्याला शोधता येईल किंवा ह्याचे फॅक्टर्स काय काय बनवू शकतात. ओके, डिवाइडिंग विथ एनी नंबर. सो विच ऑफ द टेबल्स इन दिस 18, कोणत्या टेबल्स मध्ये हे 18 येतात, काउंटिंग करा. मग 3 च्या पण टेबल मध्ये येतो आणि 6 च्या पण टेबल मध्ये येतो. सो रायटिंग द डिव्हिडंड or a divisor here as like this, and when the 3 is dividing with the 18 number, so which number is producing? The 6 is producing here. Next time the 6 when dividing the number 18, so how number is present? 3 is present. Tally of this problem, the relationship with the multiplication as well as division here. Okay, there are the two compromising numbers, so using of each other. समजतंय? मल्टिप्लिकेशन आणि डिव्हिजनचं रिलेशन कसं आहे? त्या दोन फॅक्टर्सचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केल्यानंतर एक फॅक्टर मिळतो, एक प्रोडक्ट मिळतो, आणि त्याच प्रोडक्टचे जर फॅक्टर शोधायचे झाले तर यूज करावा लागतो आपल्याला हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलेल्या अंकांवरून. सो इज इट क्लिअर हियर? अँड व्हेन we are solving some important problems, division, that time the subtraction method is most important. The division's definition is repetition of the subtraction means the division. You knowing that. So we will be try to solve some questions here. The using of this relation, first problem on the page number 47, 5 multiplied with 4 is equal to 20, and the second one 6 multiplied with 7 is equal to 42. Relationship, there are the two factors are found in here, one factor and the two second one factor and the second one factor. So as like this one is the answer, writing here 20 as it is, as like this 42. The is equal to sign is writing forwarded. So there are the two factors, dividing of, here is writing dividing of first 5, then dividing of 20 is 4. डिवाइड करायचं आहे 5 नी एक वेळेस आणि 4 नी एक वेळेस. तर विच नंबर इज प्रोड्युसिंग 5 4 जा 4 5 जा. The answers are reverse itself. The answers are reverse itself. हो की नाही. जो फॅक्टर काढतोय आपण, जो डिव्हिडंड मिळतोय आपल्याला, त्याच्यावरूनच आपल्याला त्याचा आन्सर पण मिळत आहे. त्याच्यावरूनच 42 डिवाइडेड विथ 6 and the second one the 42 divided with 7 is equal to, याचा इनवर्स करा, याचा रिवर्स करा, तोच मिळतो 7 and the right here 6. Is it clear? This is totally depends upon the relation between the multiplication and division. Okay, is it clear? The page number on the 47, and the next one, divide some questions, write the answer in the blank, solve mentally. Mentally म्हणजे मनाचा, डोक्याचा वापर करून काही प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करायचे आहेत. In which the dividend is, dividend, divisor, quotients. So most important things in which the first one is the dividend is 872 and the quotient is 1, the Q is 1, and what is the divisor? D. There are the two D's, means divisor. Divisor is the smallest number than the dividend number. The dividend number means this number in bracket number, and the quotient is upper side of this symbol, means the answer. Quotient means the भागाकार, आलेलं उत्तर means the here. and आपल्याला विचारलंय काय हे, यातले दोन टॉपिक असणं महत्त्वाचं आहे की डिव्हिडंड आणि डिवायझर, भाजक आणि भाज्य. भाजक आणि भाज्य हे दोन जर थिंग्स असतील तर प्रॉब्लेम करायला सिंपली होतं. मग या दोन्हीही प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये, ह्या एका प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दोन थिंग्स दिलेत पण आन्सर दिलेला आणि एक क्वेश्चन मध्ये दिलेले. मग एक आन्सर काढण्यासाठी एक क्वेश्चनची गरज आहे, म्हणजे भाजक काढायचा आहे, डिवायझर काढायचं आहे. हाऊ टू नोईंग युजिंग ऑफ दिस फॅक्टर्स, फॅक्ट्स. ओके, द नंबर विच डिवाइडिंग itself, that time the answer is producing 1, as like this. ह्याच नंबरला जर ह्याच नंबरनी भागला असता आन्सर हे 1 येतोय, म्हणजेच हाच नंबर असणार आहे डिवायझर. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? This one is the answer. So writing on your book 872. This one is the first problem's answer. Next one, the divisor is 10. So here on that question, second question, divisor is writing here. First divisor is 10 and the quotient again 10. And what is the dividend? So here asking a question, dividend is which? So which, here is a question mark and this one is a writing here and the answer is 10 here. When the division method we are solving some tally marks or some verification marks. divisor and the quotient, the multiplication of these two numbers, 10 tens are, which number is produced? 100. So writing here 100 and solving this problem. 100 number is making here because of this divisor and the quotients are multiplying each other. ह्या दोन अंकांचा भाज्य आणि भागाकार यांचा गुणाकार केला असता, भाजक आणि भागाकाराचा गुणाकार केला असता येणाऱ्या भाज्याला भाज्य तयार होतो आणि तो भाज्य आपल्याला डिव्हिडेशन मध्ये घ्यायचा आहे. बघा मग 10 10 जा येण्यासाठी काय करावं लागतं? 10 1 जा 10, 10 minus 10 is a 0 and upper 0 as it is bringing down. So writing here a 0. So 0 is here. So counting of the number 0 dividing with any number. Here is a fact. The answer is a 0. So writing here a 0. 0 minus 0 always 0. So writing the division is our correct. So our dividend is here. भागाकार आपला 10 च आलेला आहे, त्याच्यावरून हा डिव्हिडंड आपला बरोबर आहे, हा भाज्य आपला बरोबर आहे. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? दिस वन इज द सेकंड. देयर इज द आन्सर इज 100. दिस आन्सर इज 100 हियर. On the page number 48, the 7.2 in which the 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digits dividing with the one number. So we solving some horizontally or vertically some problems. Are you ready? 2 digit, 3 digit. This point is 7.2, 2, 3, 4 digit with which number dividing? One digit number only. Dividing with one digit. Okay. This point we clearing on that topic. Writing here some problems. 3 digit and this one is the 4 digit. Writing on your textbooks 934. This one is the 4th number problem and this one is the 7th number problem, and this the divider is 2 and this divider is 2 also. This problem is the 2 digit, this problem is the 3 digit and the last problem is the 4 digit. So all problems at a time we solving here. 60 in which, so after lectures, before lectures you always knowing that, so adding of the numbers, subtracting of the numbers, how to knowing? Left to right also. Addition आणि subtraction मध्ये बघितलेलं आहे, multiplication मध्ये पण बघितलेलं आहे की जेव्हा काही करते वेळेस, जेव्हा काही त्याची प्रक्रिया प्रोसेस करते वेळेस लेफ्ट कडून राईट कडे करायचो आपण, पण डिव्हिजन मध्ये तसं नाहीये. त्याच्यामध्ये काय लेफ्ट टू राईट सॉल्विंग इच नंबर्स डिवाइडिंग विथ द लेफ्ट टू राईट नंबर्स. लेफ्ट कडून राईट कडे प्रत्येक नंबरला डिवाइड्स करायचे. हा, लेफ्ट right to left number. So 5 1s are 5. How to this knowing? Because of 6 is greater than the 5 number. You know that the 6 is one after number than the 5 number. So dividing 5 1s are 5. 6 minus 5. The answer is 1. And this 0 bringing out the next step, making of a 1 0 10. That time how to solving this? In which the tables are counting, those students are completing our tables. So those are the completing these problems. ज्यांना tables continuity येतात, ज्यांना approximate ह्या नंबर वर जायचं आहे आपल्याला, तो डायरेक्टली नंबर ज्याला शोधता येतो तोच हा प्रॉब्लेम सिम्पली करू शकतो. सो द 5 चा टेबल सिंपल आहे. 5 2 जा 10, 5 2 जा 10. Writing here 2 za. Za means the our division. Za means the quotient our, and remaining here the 0 minus 0 0 and the 1 minus 1 is the 0. This is totally our fact number 1. So next problem here is a remainder, here is a quotient, this one is the dividend, and this one is the divisor here. And the next problem, 2 is the so simple number of the table. So first counting this number, how to greater than the divisor, divisor पेक्षा कितीनी मोठा आहे, काउंट करा. 2 चा टेबल काउंट करायचा आहे. 2 4 जा, actually I saying that only the actual numbers. 2 4 जा 8 and the 2 5 जा this one the 10. 10 is the greatest number of 9. 9 पेक्षा 10 हा मोठा आहे, म्हणून this one is not writing here properly. So below numbers are given here. कमी असलेले अंक घ्यायचे. 2 4 जा 8 writing here. 9 minus 8 is counting and writing here 1. And this 3 is using on the next step. So writing here as it is or the bringing down. So 13 is here. So counting of the 2's tables up to 13. 2 चा टेबल काउंट करा 13 येईपर्यंत. येतो का मग तो टेबल मध्ये 13? नाही. 2 6 जा 12 only. 2 6 जा 12. Below numbers we also writing here 2 6 जा 12. 13 minus 12, only one forwarded number. Writing here answer 1. Next 4 is remaining on the questions. So writing here this 4 as it is number or a bringing down on a question. Okay, so up to 14 numbers we counting the 2's table. 2 7 जा 6 जा 12, 2 7 जा 14 here. The minus method in which the subtracting itself numbers, the answer is always 0. Is it clear? 1 2 2 digit number, 3 digit number, and next one we solving here the 4 digit number. So first divisor and the first dividend compare here. There are the same number. So we also dividing this. 2 1 जा 2 here. The same numbers are the subtracting. The answer is 0. The 5 number goes to the bringing down and write here 5. So that time this number means the 5 number counting in a table. 2 2 जा 4 writing here. The 1 is remaining and the next 5 here writing here. Making of this number is 15. So 15, up to 15 numbers we also calling this 2's table. 2 7 जा 14. 5 minus 4, the remaining is 1. As like this 1 minus 1 means the 0 here. The last digit is goes to our next step means the 0 is writing here. The making of this 2 digit number 10 and this number is in the 2's table approximately. You knowing that 2 5 जा 10 writing as like this. 5 जा 10. 10 minus 10, which number is producing? You know that the same numbers are subtracting. The answer is always 0. The 0 0 0, those numbers also known as the remainder. Remainder means what? बाकी. आपण एखादी वस्तू घेऊन जर उरलेले पैसे म्हणजेच बाकी. परत those numbers are, upper symbols numbers are the quotients. Quotients means what? भागाकार. प्रत्येक संख्यांचा भागाकार. And this one is the divisor. So solving all types of this problem, 2 digit, 3 digit as well as 4 digits number with 1 digit number. 3 अंकी, 2 अंकी, 4 अंकी संख्येला प्रत्येकाला 1 अंकी संख्येने डिवाइड केलेला आहे. So next step, though we are jumping on the next step. So which step? Those numbers, but using of the 1 digits, dividing with 1 digit, not. Here is 2 digit. Before time, it's before time, this first zeros properties. how to knowing of the zero, how to dividing the zeros with any numbers. So we will clearing here. म्हणजेच क्वेश्चन मध्ये ज्या वेळेला 0 हा अंक येतो त्यावेळेला आपण कसं डिवाइड करायचंय. सो दे विल बी सी हियर. ते आपण पाहूया. Zero's property, the 7.3. We are directly question solving the page number 50, in which the question number 1 exercise question number 1, solve the following, verify your answer. How to verifying these numbers, the quotient, divisor, remainder and the dividend. How to knowing verifying these methods on that topic. Quotient. Okay, first solving problem and then it will be clearing here. First problem I taken here. One problem, the 4-digit number 7545 and dividing with number 5. So first of all we see the first right number. How to knowing the comparison of these two numbers? 7 is greater than the 5 numbers. So 5 ones are 5. This one here 7 minus 5, the answer is always 2. So next step, this 5 is remaining. So goes to the next step, writing here the 5 as it is number. 5 5s are 25 here. That time the 25 same and the next 25 is same. So writing this number, the subtraction of these two numbers are always 0 0. So next step, the 4 is simply writing here. This 4 is less than this divisor, means this is a 5 is greater than the 4. So this one is not dividing properly. So that time we using our 0 property. Writing here just a 0. So 5 zeros are 0. Writing here just a 4 minus 0. This answer writing here 4 as it is. And then the last number goes to the bringing down, last step 5 here and 45 is making here. In that 5 table the 45 is searching. So 5 9s are 45 here. 45 minus 45, you know the same numbers are subtracting itself. The answer is 0 zeros. This one is the remainder. Only naming of these numbers, everything. This one is the quotient, means the bhagakar. This one is the dividend. Dividend means the bhajya and the divisor means the bhajak. Okay, is it clear? All problems relating with the zeros. जर एखाद्या संख्येला जर भाग जात नसेल म्हणजे ती संख्या जर भाजकापेक्षाही लहान असेल त्यावेळेला एक शून्य घ्यायचा आणि एक स्टेप करायची की शून्य सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा आणि जसाच तसा हा 4 खालच्या स्टेपला ठेवायचा आणि राहिलेला अंक असेल तर तो घ्यायचा किंवा नसेल तर मग तो तिथेच स्टॉप होऊ शकतो. This like this. Okay, this one is the zeros property. Everyone having the zeros property. 800 dividing with the 4. How to solving this? As like this. 4 2s are 8 and the 8 minus 8 0. The 1 0 is writing here. That time the zeros property using 0 4 zeros are 0. 1 1 steps adding here. The 0 minus 0 0. The next number of the 0 bringing down here the making of 2-digit number. But which number is here? The 0. So writing here 4 zeros are 0. The number is not present, that time 0 also writing and this answer will be clearing here. So 1 2 problems we also solving here the zeros property. So the next point in which the word problem we directly see on your textbook page number 53. The first problem I reading here, listen carefully. 120 students are. I solving here the word problem. Last point is word problem. Okay, I reading here first problem. 120 students are equally divided into 12 groups. There are the students 12 groups. Groups means bunches. Group means गट. आणि स्टुडंट्स किती सांगितलेले आहेत 120. 120 is the dividend and the 20 groups कमी संख्या सांगितलेली आहे ती डिवायझरला जाते. मग लहान अंक असला पाहिजे, भाज्यपेक्षा भाजक हा नेहमी लहान असतो. देन हाऊ मेनी स्टुडंट्स आर देअर इन ईच ग्रुप. प्रत्येक ग्रुप मध्ये किती असतील मग 12 बंचेस झालेले आहेत, 12 ग्रुप्स आहेत आणि 120 स्टुडंट्स आहेत. मग प्रत्येक एका याच्यामध्ये किती असतील, एका ग्रुपमध्ये किती स्टुडंट्स असतील. हाऊ टू, मग ह्या वेळेला कोणती मेथड यूज करावी लागते, डिव्हिजन मेथड. अजून एक प्रॉब्लेम की माझ्याकडे खूप सारे चॉकलेट्स आहेत पण मला ते डिव्हिजन म्हणजे मला प्रत्येकांना सबट्रॅक्ट करून द्यायचं आहे किंवा प्रत्येकांना सेपरेट करून द्यायचं आहे. मग त्यावेळेला अशी मेथड यूज करावी लागते, डिव्हिजनची मेथड यूज करावी लागते आणि पर्टिक्युलरली गट्स करावे लागतात, त्यांचे ग्रुप्स करावे लागतात. सो ऑन दॅट प्रॉब्लेम वी सॉल्विंग हिअर. देअर आर द 2 digits of the divisors and the 3 digits of the dividends. How to solve this? You know the tables, that time it will be clearing here. 12 च्या टेबल मध्ये हा जर 120 येत असेल, जर ज्याला टेबल जमतो तो हा करू शकेल. मग 12 चा टेबल करू शकत असाल तर हा कंप्लीट करा. नाहीतर मग 12 च्या टेबलच्या वेळेस अगोदर सुरुवातीचे 2 अंक डिजिट बघावे लागतील. इथं 2 आहेत म्हणल्यानंतर इथं पण सुरुवातीला 2च पाहावे लागतील. मग अगोदर हे सॉल्व करून घेऊया की 12 1 जा 12. 12 मधून 12 गेले असता म्हणजे 12 minus 12 is 0 0. The next 0 is writing, bringing down the next step. That time, before time I saying the 0 property is hearing means 12 0 जा 0 writing here. This answer is making. Each group having the 10 students. So it will be clearing here. म्हणजे प्रत्येक ग्रुप मध्ये 10 स्टुडंट्स असणार आहेत. किती असणार आहेत? Students are there. Each group having the 10 students are there. So all problems are the relating to our division using of our subtraction method and all solving here. So today what we learn, तर आज मग आपण काय शिकलेलं आहे की डिव्हिजन कसं करायचं, डिव्हिजनचे फॅक्टर्स कसे असतात, त्यांचा उपयोग कसा होतो डिव्हिजन मध्ये आणि उपयोग करते वेळेस प्रत्येक गोष्ट ही व्यवस्थित बारकाईने पाहायची. त्याच्यानंतर मग 2 डिजिट 3 डिजिट 4 डिजिटला एकांकाने डिवाइड केलो. त्यानंतर की 0 प्रॉपर्टी पाहिली आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग शेवटचा असा प्रॉब्लेम पाहिला की वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम. शाब्दिक उदाहरणामध्ये असलेले अंक शोधून त्याच्यातून डिवायझर अँड डिव्हिडंड शोधून घेतला आणि डिवायझर केला आणि कोशंट काढला आणि त्या कोशंट म्हणजेच आपलं आन्सर असतं. नेहमी आपलं डिवायझरचं डिव्हिजनचं आन्सर हे कोशंट म्हणजेच ह्या वरच्या बाजूला असतो. आणि राहिलेले ते प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला होमवर्कमध्ये सर्व काही करायचे आहेत. ओके, थँक्यू.